What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I have to say welcome to my channel. My name is Francessmichelle. I'm happy that you guys are here. In today's video, we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So, of course, if you already clicked on the link, if you already clicked on the video, you know the thumbnail, you know the title of the video, so it's not a surprise. So I took it to my Instagrams and I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see. A lot of you gave me a good like ideas for videos, but there was one that really kind of stand out because it's something that I had in the back of my head, and which was to create a pink, bold, simple makeup look. So you all know that here on my channel, I'm all about simple makeup look. I don't have time to do elaborate makeup anymore, given the fact that I have already my baby with me and my days are really hectic. So I don't have time to sit in front of the mirror and do a glammed out makeup look. So in today's video coming at you is going to be, the thumbnail you saw is a very simple to create hot pink. It's not like a hot pink, but it's a bright pink makeup look, and it's very simple to create, guys. It's like honestly only one shadow I use, but you'll see that as the video goes along. So I always like to do these videos voice over, just because I feel like they're a lot more quicker to go through than me talking about every single product that I'm going to be using. If you have not yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button right down there to be part of my beautiful girlfriend squad here on YouTube. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, it's Francess, 2s's.Michelle. I'm going to leave everything down below, as well as all my other information where you can follow me, find me, and whatnot. Anyways, guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started to this video. Alright, so first up, a disclaimer I want to put out there. A lot of people ask me, how is it that my face is way lighter than my body? Okay, I tan, guys. I tan. I self-tan at home. This is like my normal color, and I honestly, to each his own, I don't like being this pale, especially when my husband is like that burnt color, and then I'm like super pale next to him. It's like, okay, princess, okay. So I like to tan, and I do not use the tanning products on my face. They break me out like crazy. So what I do is I even out my skin with my face with foundation. So I'm just throwing it out there. That is the reason why my face is so pale rather than my body. I tan my body, I don't tan my face. I can't use the products on my face. Alright, now that that's out of the way, let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so we are going to start with moisturizing our skin. I'm using the ItCosmetics moisturizer, and I like to moisturize my whole entire face. Then I'm moving on to another moisturizer, which is bomb.com. Is this Rose Cream by Pixi Beauty, and I've been obsessed with this. It's so thick, but at the same time, it makes your skin feel lightweight. Then I'm moving on to my primer. I am using the Covergirl Skin Soothing Primer, and I like to really put a lot of primer. Then I'm moving on to foundation, and I'm using Huda Beauty and NYX NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And with a beauty blender, I'm going to blend everything together. And the reason why I have two foundation is I like to mix, like always I say, and the other one is for a little bit more of color. Then I'm going on to concealer, and I am using the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and I'm concealing everything. And then with a beauty blender, I go in and blend everything, and I make sure that everything is well blended. I'm going in with the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D, and I'm grabbing that lightest powder color right there. And I am actually putting it into my sponge and then applying it onto my under eyes. I'm just setting my under eyes, and I'm not making them like too over powdery. And I just quick, like I said, it's a quick makeup. Then I'm applying a little bit of powder all over my face, except the areas where I applied the concealer, because I just want to make sure that I keep them very bright and light. And then I'm going to contour my face. I'm using the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D again. And I'm just contouring where normally you'd contour, using that contour shade in the middle. Just bringing warmth and definition onto my face. Of course, can't forget the forehead and the temples of your face. Alright guys, now I'm going to move on to bronzing my face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Sun Biz bronzer, and I've been obsessed with it because it's my perfect shade. And I'm just grabbing a huge powder brush because I just want to bring like that bronze feel to my face, and I'm just applying it everywhere, guys. I'm moving on to blush, and I'm using my favorite mauvey pink blush by MAC Cosmetics. It's called Desert Rose. I've had it for years, guys, but years, and I love it. All right, moving on to the eyes, I'm using the Pure Cosmetics and Boxy Charm palette. I'm grabbing that pink shade right there, very bright pink shade, and with a shader brush, I am applying it and packing it onto the lid and a little bit towards the crease. It's very pigmented, as you can see. The color is absolutely beautiful. And then after I pack on, I am going to take a shader brush, and with that pink shade of blush, I'm using that as a transition, and I'm using that to blend the whole entire eye look. Alright, and you cannot forget your bottom part of your eyes. I think this is what makes the eyes look together. And we had a little visitor in the video, little ball of milk, that's what I like to call them. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Just pack on my lid and just use that shade to kind of like transition everything and blend. And now we're going to go to lots of mascara. If you're a pro at applying lashes, I feel like very simple lashes will look great with this look, and it'll just make it look better. But I'm just going to pack on a lot of mascara, especially my favorite Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Then for the lips, I'm using these lip combination. I'm going to put the names of both of the products down below. They are both from Flower Beauty by Drew Barrymore. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much what I do to this Barbie pink look. And it was very easy to do. Anyone can do it. I'm going to now apply the highlight. I'm using these two color of highlights to pop in and kind of more of that white, because I thought the white would look gorgeous with this look. This is from Anastasia and Nicole Guerreiro. And then I'm popping in a little bit of that white into the inner corners of my eyes. I just didn't show it. And I want this look to look extra glowy, so I'm going over with like the Glow Mist by Pixi Beauty. And I'm going on top of it with another glow setting spray to set everything in place and make it glowy.
I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me. Touch me. I swear you would do anything that I
Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you like it. Like I said, it was very easy to do. I just did one color on my eyes, as you can see. I did the same on my lid. I threw it up on my crease, and then I added lots of highlight. I love to add this pop of white highlight to this look because I think it just goes together. But I love this pink look. I'm not a pink type of girl. I like to wear my bronze neutral colors. But I don't know, something about this pink color makeup look just kind of screams spring, summer. So I'm super excited about this color. I have to say, this palette that came in the Boxy Charm box for the month of April. We're in May, right? Yeah, for the month of April is bomb. All salud. Every color here is super pigmented, and I was very impressed by the pigmentation of this palette. So yeah, everything that I use on my face, I'm going to leave it linked down below. If it's not, as soon as it's upload, it will come. It takes me a while to kind of list every product that I use. But if you like the makeup look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button right there. As I always say, thank you so much for sticking to the end. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. If you made it this far, you are bombdaily.com. Yes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for your love. Mwah. Muchos besos. I'll see you ladies on my following video. Adios.